With Ledgersync, you can create an account for each one of your employees. To do so, head to the Employees tab on the top menu and click on Add New Employee. Here, you will be able to add your employees' information and create a username for them. The system will send them an email invitation for them to be able to connect to your Ledgersync account. With Ledgersync, you can easily restrict an employee's access to your clients. To do so, select an employee and click on Assign New Client. A window will come up and give you the option to assign specific clients to an employee or to simply assign all clients to this employee. To delete an employee, simply locate them in the Employees page and click on the trash icon. The system will delete the employee and remove their access to Ledgersync.